The results were out on 3rd November, and today it's been almost a week. But I can say honestly, many of us, including me, are still struggling to even start. And if we can't start, how will a 50-day plan help us? So I'm starting a 7 days study challenge, not just for you, but with you. We are going to do this together. That's the main goal, to bring that momentum back, to bring that fire inside you back. मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि कोई भी आपको ये नहीं बता सकता है कि कोई भी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को इतने दिन दोगे तो हो जाएगा, क्योंकि किसी को कोई सब्जेक्ट में 5 दिन लग सकते हैं तो किसी को 10 दिन लग सकते हैं. I am with you in this. Every day, every hour, every little step, we all will rise again together. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So honestly, I was planning to make a video on something like how to clear both the groups in 50 days, or how to score 60 plus or 70 plus in accounts, tax, or whichever subject. Something big, something that sounds motivating, exciting, and gives you that instant push. But then I realized it doesn't really feel realistic, at least not for me right now. The results were out on 3rd November, and today it's been almost a week. But I can say honestly, many of us, including me, are still struggling to even start. And if we can't start, how will a 50-day plan help us? So that's when this idea came. Let's begin small. छोटे से शुरुआत करते हैं. Something जो realistic हो, something जो हम actually achieve कर सकते हैं. So I am starting a 7 days study challenge, not just for you, but with you. We are going to do this together. Now, let me be honest, my group one is still left. For some of you, it might be group two, and for some, maybe both groups. So, accordingly, I'm planning to cover two subjects in this 7 days. Maybe one subject full, or one half, or both halfway. I haven't figured out every single detail yet, but the point is, we will just start. The 7 days challenge is not about me giving you a fixed timetable or saying कि ये सब्जेक्ट को इतने दिन करो तो हो जाएगा. नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि कोई भी आपको ये नहीं बता सकता है कि कोई भी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को इतने दिन दोगे तो हो जाएगा, क्योंकि किसी को कोई सब्जेक्ट में 5 दिन लग सकते हैं तो किसी को 10 दिन लग सकते हैं. और मुझे लगता है कि इट सोनली डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि कौन-सा सब्जेक्ट कितने दिन में होगा, क्योंकि आपको अपनी वीकनेस और स्ट्रेंथ्स पता है. सो दैट्स नॉट द गोल ऑफ दिस चैलेंज. इस चैलेंज का ये गोल है कि कुछ भी कोई भी सब्जेक्ट उठाना है. Pick something, pick anything, and just begin. Just start. That's the main goal, to bring that momentum back, to bring that fire inside you back. So I have created a Telegram group. The link is given in the description below. Here's how it will work. Every night before you sleep, you will write your goals for the next day. What chapters or topics you will study. And the next night, you will update me what you actually completed. And I'll also update the same. So it's not just about planning, it's about showing up and being accountable. Now listen carefully. In the group, I have disabled all the chat messages so that it stays clean and focused. You can't send any text messages there, but what you can do is share a photo of your daily goals. Yes, just one picture of your goals for the day. That's it. No random text, no distraction, only your study goals. It's a space purely for discipline, motivation, and growth. तो जैसे अपना चैलेंज कल से शुरू हो रहा है फ्रॉम 10th of November. तो आज की रात आपको ग्रुप में एक फोटो डालनी है. वो फोटो में मतलब एक पेज पे आपको अपने गोल्स लिख के डालने हैं कि कल आप क्या करने वाले हो. और फिर उसके बाद अगले दिन रात को, कल रात को आप उसमें से बताओगे कि आपने क्या-क्या किया. और फिर कल रात को आप बताओगे कि परसों आप क्या करने वाले हो. लाइक दैट यू कैन ओनली शेयर द फोटोज देयर, बट यू कांट शेयर एनी टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस देयर. दिस इज द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ क्रिएटिंग दैट ग्रुप. Apart from that, I have also made a group on the YPT app. It's basically a timer app where you can record your study hours and track your consistency. You will also be able to see how many hours others are studying, and trust me, that creates a healthy sense of competition and motivation. You can record your own study time, see how long your breaks are, and stay accountable every day. I'll drop the link to my YPT group in the description below, along with another YouTube video that explains exactly how to use the app. Guys, listen. We have all been through those days where we couldn't focus, when we felt lost, when we thought of quitting, when everything seemed too much. But this time, we are not going to give up. We have not come this far to stop here. This is not the end. This is our restart. Let's give our best for just 7 days. Just 7 days. Let's prove to ourselves that we still can. We will study together, stay accountable together, and motivate each other every single day. If you're ready to start again, join the Telegram group right now. Install the YPT app and let's begin our 7 day study comeback. Because I am with you in this. Every day, every hour, every little step, we all will rise again together. So yes, that's it for today's video. We'll start together, stay consistent together, and make this 7 days count. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about showing up every single day. All the links are in the description below, the Telegram group, the YPT app, everything you need to pick in. And if you're joining this challenge, comment down below that you are in. Let's see how many of us are ready to restart this journey together. Let's do this together. We will crack it this time. Anjali Sumani signing off.